Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. So today we are going to look easy and quick DIYs or
Hi
hacks.
guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. So those who are new to my channel, a big hi to them. Myself Heena yegulpawar. I usually make videos on skincare, hair care and much more. So today I'm going to share quick and easy hack or DIYs. So without wasting our time, let's get started.
So for the hack number 1, I recommend for longer and curly eyelashes is coconut oil. Coconut oil is best for your eyelashes. It grows your eyelashes and makes curly. Tired with pimples? Oh no, don't worry. I have a solution. Take a pinch of turmeric and add a drop of aloe vera gel. Mix it and apply it on your pimple with the help of earbud. So, hack number 3, dull or dry skin. Don't worry, I had a solution again. Take a pinch of aloe vera gel and apply it on your hands as well as your face as well as your neck area, wherever you felt that your skin is being dry. So hack number 4 is dull skin. Oh no, okay, I had a solution again. So apply the aloe cubes on your face. Hack number 5 is dull skin. So I recommend you this rose water. Spray it on your face too. So as soon as I spray this rose water, I feel so refreshing and energetic. Just look at my face, how it's glowing.
So I hope guys आपको एक क्विक एंड इजी DIY एंड हैक ज़रूर पसंद आए होंगे. अगर पसंद आए मेक श्योर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड ऑल्सो हिट द बेल आइकन.